Here I have a Scorpion CX5 mortise cylinder. It's a 6-pin with a sidebar. There's the key. You can see the track running down the side of it. That lifts up 5 slider pins to the correct height so the sidebar can drop so the lock can turn. All of the 6 chambers are counter milled. All of the top pins are an ASSA style with a ledge on them. I'll show them to you when I get it picked open here. So I'm going to be going clockwise with this. I'm going to pick the shear line first, the key pins, and then I'll use a smaller pick to hit the slider pins. Can't hold on to the pick already. When these set, there's a lot of crunching going on in here because of the counter milled chambers and the way those top pins are shaped. I need to stop talking and start picking. But you can hear it clanking, and I've got several false sets and get the counter rotation and back up and down and up and down. Over and over and over. They're kind of easy to overlift too. The way you get a real hard snap. I'm just looking for, I think I've got 5 of the 6 set. I'm just looking for that 6th one. I think that's it there. Okay, so I think I've got everything set to the shear line. So I'm going to switch to a smaller little hook to lift the sliders up and down. It's kind of tough to reach the 5th one, at least for me. All the way in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one is still not set. See it in there, but I keep raising up over the top of it. There we go. Picked. Zoom out. You can see it there. Pick clockwise. I'll go ahead and gut it real quick. And show you what it's got in it. Then I'm gonna get that last finger pin set. Oops. Better put the key back in it so I don't lose all the finger pins. Okay. There you can see we've got all the key pins. Flip it around. Oops. There's all 5 of the finger pins. So I'm going to go ahead and dump them out here. Okay, there's all the pins. Yeah, 7:30. Okay, I'm tired. We'll get the finger pins out here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Drop the sidebar over here. And there's the sidebar springs. Hopefully you can see all the I can't even see. All the counter milling in the chambers. And then I'll show you all the top pins. If I can hold on to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9:04, running out of time. Okay, so there's what the top pins look like. There's all 6 of them. There's what the sidebar finger pins look like. There's number 3, 4, and 5. So there's all 5 of those. There's the sidebar. Let's see if I can get a better shot of the... There's the counter milling on all the chambers. You can see each one is counter milled. And inside the plug. So there it is, CX5 picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.